When you enter the quiz creation tool, you'll first notice an Add Question button. This is your launchpad into creating an exciting and comprehensive quiz. Click this button to kick things off. A default template will pop up, initially set up for a single answer question. But we want to create an exact answer question, so you need to adjust this. Look for a drop-down menu labeled Question Type, and select Exact Answer from the list. Once you choose Exact Answer, the system will promptly restructure the question format. This time, instead of a single answer field, you'll see 4 keyword fields tailored for the exact answer format. Your next step is to type your question in the box that says, Enter your question here 0. This label is a hint that it's editable, and you can type your custom question here. The same goes for the keyword boxes. Fill these in with the exact keywords that you expect from your students' answers. Here's a unique feature of the exact answer questions. The system compares the keywords in a student's response to the ones you've provided. It then calculates a similarity percentage. If the student's answer meets or exceeds a preset similarity threshold, they receive points. The system sets this similarity threshold at 80% by default. This means that the student's answers should be at least 80% similar to the correct answer to get points. But you can adjust this as per your requirements. If you want the student's answers to be more precise, increase the threshold. If you want to be more lenient, decrease it. Next up is the Question/Options Editor. When activated, this feature gives you the ability to add multimedia elements to your questions or answers, making your quiz more engaging and dynamic. There's also the Answer Information button. Any information added here is only available to the system and the teacher, even after students have taken the quiz. Don't forget to assign points to your question using the Points field. Adjust this based on how crucial the question is to your quiz. Just like the other question types, you can add more detailed descriptions, include media, and add teacher-specific data. These features all work together to help you create a personalized and effective quiz. It's important to frequently save your work to prevent data loss. Also, always preview your quiz before publishing it. This helps you ensure everything appears as intended from the student's perspective and allows you to fix any issues in the quiz. And that's it. You now know how to create exact answer questions using our quiz creation platform. It's an excellent tool that lets you create quizzes tailored to your teaching style and students' learning needs.